Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Amazon Associates account setup for US affiliate marketing, complete guide step. To configure your Amazon Associates account for US affiliate marketing, start by visiting the Amazon Associates homepage. Click on the Join Now for Free button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to sign in with your existing Amazon account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, fill out the application form with your personal information. Provide a name, address, and phone number as required. Choose your preferred tracking ID, which will help you manage your links. In the website or mobile app list section, enter the URLs of the platforms where you plan to promote products. If you don't have a website, you can use social media profiles, but make sure they comply with Amazon's guidelines. Next, specify how you plan to drive traffic to your links. Select the relevant topics that describe your website or content niche. Complete the form by answering questions about your experience in affiliate marketing. Read and agree to the operating agreement and related policies. Submit your application and wait for Amazon's review, which can take a few hours to a few days. Once approved, you will gain access to your Amazon Associates dashboard. Log into your dashboard and navigate to the product linking section. From here, you can create affiliate links for any product on Amazon. Search for the products you want to promote and click on the Get Link button. You can customize your links to fit your content styling. Once you have your affiliate links, start integrating them into your content. Monitor your performance regularly using the dashboard's reporting tools. Take note of the clicks and conversions generated through your links. Optimize your strategy by focusing on products that perform well in your niche. Stay updated with Amazon's policies to ensure compliance. Now you're ready to start earning through your Amazon Associates account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.